Best NFT Project to buy in 2022. Best Upcoming NFT Project. If you've been looking for the miracle NFT project that's going to make you a lot of money, then worry no more. The Sadboyz NFT project is surely the one. This NFT project is truly unique in the way that it integrates fashion in the metaverse. If you want to know how to capitalize on this project, then make sure to keep watching. We'll show you how you can use it to get real rich real quick. NFTs can be traded for profit, but ultimately, they are meant to represent us in the digital world. However, in spite of this basic functionality, most popular NFTs don't quite succeed in their design. If you look at successful NFT projects like the Bored Ape Yacht Club and CryptoPunks, the designs of these NFTs are focused mostly on headshots. Sure, they can express some personality quirks that we might have, but ultimately there's very little room for customizability or self-expression. The new crop of 3D NFTs is looking to break the mold in an interesting way. These allow for way more customizability options. But as customizable as they are still limited in terms of size. Most of them still focus on the head region. Some examples are the Real Apes NFTs and Girlfriends NFTs. With the Sadboyz NFT though, these avatars focus on the entire body. This creates a lot of room for self-expression and customizability, especially when it comes to fashion. You can decide how your avatar looks from head to toe. You can select their headpiece, shirt, pants, and shoes. Each of these things can be a different digital asset that only you own. And so I'm sure you're beginning to appreciate the potential of this Sadboyz NFT collection. It can host NFTs within NFTs, multiplying their value. Define the Sadboyz NFT collection as a collection of 7,777 unique Sadboyz wandering around the Ethereum network. This collection is one of the major projects bringing digital clothing and branded utility into the metaverse. People love brands. They will buy a $10 t-shirt for $1,000 provided it has the right name on it. This is one of the reasons why Sadboyz has so much raw potential. Once it begins to form partnerships with established clothing brands like Gucci, Dior, Supreme, and Obey, the value of each NFT will soar even more. Sadboyz targets the streetwear aesthetic. This is a fashion aesthetic that cuts across quite a large demographic. Men and women of all ages and sizes all have an interest in streetwear. And so, Sadboyz has the opportunity to reach quite a large audience. These streetwear pieces can also be integrated into the metaverse. In a sense, this grants them immortality. Let's face it, no matter how much we pay for a particular piece of clothing, it can be subject to wear and tear. Eventually, it will be destroyed completely. But if that piece of clothing was also an NFT, then you would be able to keep it forever. How much is a clothing item that lasts forever worth? Not nearly enough. Other than collabs with mega fashion brands like Gucci and Supreme, Sadboyz also intends to collaborate directly with artists. This is a really creative way of making the streetwear NFT pieces really interesting. So many accomplished digital artists have a large following who are eager to support whatever they do next. And so, these collaborations will introduce Sadboyz to a whole new world of investors. These collaborations strengthen the Sadboyz own brand, as well as that of the artist. It's the best of both worlds. Alright, so let's discuss the Sadboyz NFT roadmap. Phase 1 includes the launch of the collection, including all 7,777 NFTs. Most begin their roadmap with massive social media campaigns in order to increase their following. However, in the case of the Sadboyz, none of that is necessary. After all, there's already a lot of hype behind the project. People are eager to buy these tokens. And so, the project managers need not waste money or time in doing something which has already been done. Phase 2 of the roadmap includes the launch of limited exclusive collections. These are special articles which you can use to customize your Sadboyz tokens. Most other NFT projects just launch once, and that's all. But with the Sadboyz NFT project, you can improve the look and value of your NFT by buying additional items in the collection. Isn't that cool? Phase 3 of the roadmap involves the launch of the IRL Sadboyz brand. After all, Why should your avatar be more dripped out than you? Most of the items in the online collection will also be available in the offline store. This means you'll be able to match with your NFT. If that isn't your thing, you can also buy totally different clothes. In Phase 4 of the Sadboyz roadmap, it's all about collaborations. This is where the company intends to collaborate with established and upcoming artists in order to create new, inspired collections. Remember how Gucci collaborated with Tom Ford in the 1990s to reinvigorate their collection? The concept here is similar. Visionary designers will be able to come up with new, awesome designs that holders can customize their avatars with. They will literally be pioneering Metaverse fashion. Phase 5 of the roadmap is about brand collabs. This is where the Guccis and Supremes and Diors of the world come in. We already explained this pretty well, so we're not going to be wasting any more time on it. In Phase 6, or the final phase of the roadmap, Metaverse Integrations will occur. When this happens, you can have your sad boy represent you within Metaverse meetings, parties, and other events. These can take place within established Metaverse programs like Decentraland and Sandbox. Sadboy plans for the Metaverse don't quite stop there, though. The company also intends to launch Web3 platforms and integrations built specifically for the company's digital clothing platform. This will include additional Metaverse characters, games, collections, and more. Isn't that exciting? For Sadboy holders, there will also be exclusive access to Sadboyz and partnered companies' drops and releases at discounted prices. They will truly be part of a unique club. The Sadboy NFT collection will be launching really soon. In order to place yourself in a great position to buy these tokens while they are still relatively cheap, then you need to get whitelisted by the company. Getting whitelisted may seem like a raffle, but it's really not. You just have to exhibit to the company that you're committed to the project. In order to do that, you need to interact with management and the community at large on social media platforms, such as Twitter, Instagram, and Discord. As a matter of fact, Discord is the place where you'll have the best chance. The Sadboyz tokens are going to sell out really quickly. If you miss out on them, you'll have to get them on a secondary market, where they'll be much more expensive. These tokens represent the money-making chance of a lifetime. If you pass up on them, you'll definitely be making a huge mistake. Keep your eyes peeled for updates. Don't miss out. So, you see, in the final analysis, the Sadboyz NFTs definitely represent the new aesthetic of the Metaverse. The innovative way it uses fashion definitely places it above the competition. Fashion has always been incredibly profitable. In the Metaverse, that trend of profitability is going to rise to new heights. Thank you for watching the video. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any crucial updates concerning NFTs and the Metaverse. That's all for today. Until next time, have a great day. Bye.